hit that next target, and I had mentioned in my previous video off a breakdown sell signal off this primary hidden trend line here off the COVID crash, reactionary highs and lows with plenty of reaction to validate it, and that's exactly what we got off this beautiful shoulder, head and shoulder looking classic looking top with the mirage of a smaller shoulder, head and shoulder looking classic top here. And this is the reason why we broke down and started a waterfall sell-off, was because there had to have been a ton of stops, margin calls right below that primary trend line, and that's exactly what we got. Came back down, I had issued that sell signal, and really from that gap just never looked on, hit my first target right there at that 1981, and it was good for a 8.6% drop. We've got confirmed negative and bearish divergences on all three indicators, crossovers sinking down below the zero lines on a breakdown below MACD and oscillator. So we'll see what happens here. We already had a looked like we already had a intraday reactionary high off this 1981 price resistance, so we'll see how it continues it out. We could have a snapback rally above this 1981 price. Maybe you could hedge up on a backfill the gap at least back to the 2060 for, you know, another 2.5%. And again, resistance is resistance here at that 2088 price resistance, pretty decent price resistance as well. And that's what I would expect in any breakdown, and any company or stock that really just nosedives and sinks down below usually has a brief snapback rally with short coverings and or people trying to run the trade. So we'll see how it plays out. Keep you updated if I see any more significance in NWL, and hit that like and subscribe button.